Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to build a speedboat in Animal Company VR. Let's get right into it.
Because we would like fishing, so let's do this. Alright. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be
That was
playing
a
with
trick
viewers.
shot too.
Alright, come on, let's make this speedboat. So number one,
Right.
we need flags.
We need a boombox.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Alright, so I'm gonna put stuff here. Put the stuff we need in this bag right here.
Alright, pass me the bag. Let me put some stuff in.
Alright, I put a boombox in there.
Wait. We could put a trophy in there.
Oh, I missed.
Or wait,
Little dab around his body. That was an ore farmer, Lauren Parma.
Should we
Yo,
put
if I make this,
a gun
Alex,
in there?
Guys, if I make this, you have to subscribe to me and my friend.
Oh, please subscribe.
Oh man, I messed up because I have a hip song. Wait, guys. First tie.
Oh, should we put a gold bar? Wait, should we put a gold bar?
Yes, actually.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna add a game box too.
So let's try it.
Let me add the game box real quick.
3, 2.
Should I put a modded version or? Yeah, I'm gonna put a modded version.
You know, let's do a regular dynamite because this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a modded version of it, and I'm gonna put
a modded version of what?
Of the game box. No,
you know, guys, if I make this, you'll have to subscribe to me and my friend. I messed up. Wait.
Damn, how tiny is that thing?
I made it, so you'll have to subscribe now. You know, I'm gonna put them all. Guys, if I make this one, y'all have to subscribe. I messed up so hard. Yo, Alex, look what I got.
Yeah, I think this should be good. Alright, if you want, you could come look at it. I only added 2 stuff.
You're a petty. You do not need a Game Boy. You can have that.
Well, you can keep it. Go ahead. So
I don't need it. I want to put it in the sewers.
Now we are.
Shut up. Where you at?
So we're gonna need planks. That's what I know.
No, we are not gonna need flames. Why are we gonna? We need a lantern. We need 2.
Oh yeah, definitely lantern.
See, it looks like my booty buttons. Alright, so we have these. Well, we 100% need this. Alex, we need 100. We 100% need this.
Oh yeah.
Like that. Wait. That's so very smart.
Wait.
What do we need a snowboard?
By the way, we did not watch a tutorial. We are doing this by ourselves. I just thought about this because it would be good for us going fishing.
Wait, I already put one. There.
No, this is, yeah, you can keep that right there. Just wait. Bro,
it could fly.
Then after our speedboat could fly.
Alright, what do we need that for?
Wait.
Holy shoot, Alex. I don't think we need this much.
No.
What the freak?
It wasn't supposed to be like that.
Then how?
Take that off. It was supposed to be like a little curve, like going up.
Oh, when we put that one car, flight
it's like a little curve going up. Oh,
like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
And then after that, we put another. Oh my god, my aim, bro.
Put another one. Alex, there's one right here.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta see if it'll fly still. Man, we're gonna need more. So I'm gonna put one more, right? Alright, Alex, I'm gonna put one more.
Alright, guys, go ahead. What the? Why am I low gravity? What do I have? Hey, how am I flying? Liam, I'm flying. Do I have something on me or what?
Yeah, the thing.
What's
Alright, Alex, I think
is
you'll
this
fly now.
making me fly?
It did a flip. Alex, I could do a flip.
It did the flip.
Wait, I think we need another one. We are jolly Kirkies. Wait, Alex. Come on, give me it. I'll do it. I'm a pro at this, okay? I have 7 billion building experience.
You have 7 billion hours on this game, bro.
Bro, I was over here trying to ask my dad if I can get company coins. Yeah. I'm very smart, Alex.
By the way, guys, if you guys like our speedboat things,
Please subscribe.
yeah.
We're not asking you. We're not telling you. You guys.
We're not begging. We are not
We just
beggars.
want to be famous and prepare the people that cared for us, cause you know they're special
Yo,
to
let's
us.
fly.
Yeah.
My new boat.
Alex, it's the thing on your hips, love. Take the thing on your yeah, throw it. Throw it away. I said throw it away. My honey, I know. Yo, Alex, I can fly.
Don't you-
Wait,
don't. Wait.
Look, Alex.
Wait, don't you think this could like is somewhere good?
No, I'm not putting that on.
Okay.
Look, Alex, you wanna see? It can follow me wherever I put it. You wanna see? Fly up. You know what? No. Alex, I'm flying right now. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, so now what are we gonna add?
So we have to add this, Alex. As a
Another
wall.
one?
As a wall.
Bro, that does not look good.
Hey, yes it does.
Sorry, but that does not look good.
Look. No, it does not.
I think. Wait, Wait, I just got a good plan. So you know how? Wait, let me cook. All right. Wait, let me just cook. All right.
Wait.
Like you might understand what. Wait, you might understand what I'm doing. Wait, you might understand what I'm doing.
Alright, well, hurry up.
Oh my god. So guys, hope you guys can subscribe. And by the way, I'm gonna shout out to my friends, Victor, Gabriel, Liam. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Liam. His
100%.
name is
Just Pink 714.
714.
Wait, Alex,
No,
what are you doing?
No. Let me cook. Wait, let me cook.
Alright, I'll let you cook.
Yeah, let me
Oh,
cook,
I
let me
see where
cook.
you're trying to do this.
No!
What are you doing?
Wait.
Wait, Alex. So, if there. What the hell is that supposed to be?
Wait. Wait, let's
It's
take
just
this
such
off
a
real
good
quick.
song. Alex, take off that thing on your hip. Like, it's so annoying, bro.
Wait. Okay.
Hey, Brody. Brolio. I am
That's it.
invincible. Oh, it's like the wing thing.
Yeah.
Bro, you should have just
How
told
about
me.
we put this more up?
sucks, though.
We put this more up.
Heck yeah. No, wait, stop. I got it. I said stop.
No, that's too up. No, that's too up.
No, it isn't. It's very good. No, it's too up. Wait, I got this, Alex.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, slay.
You're gay. Oh, Ow! I just hurt my finger. I was trying to, like, in my. What the fuck? POV Gorilla Tag people be like, weave. Look, Alex. POV Jimmy Kelly be like, when they slide you, weave.
How do you even do that? Wait, I don't know how to do that. Wait, how do you even do that?
So it's like this, like you put your hand under, and then you just go.
And then after you turn around. Oh wait, let me
Yeah.
try. Ready? Oh, never mind. No, I can't. I can't do that. So
Well, I got a Fiesta bag of Takis.
dang, a Fiesta, bro. How big back are you?
A big bag, big bag. Wait, I need.
Okay, we definitely need saddles.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, cause when we're on water, I don't know if it's gonna let other people stand up or. But let's
Why
go
does
try.
it
Wait,
matter?
we need. Right. These box fans. We get box fans.
Why do we need a box fan now?
Well, we can
Oh,
get
to let it
power.
move.
Yeah. Hey,
You're not that smart though.
but guys, can you? Because that's
But two.
So guys, we're gonna add a box fan and we're gonna try something out.
Wait, Alex, I'm trying to lock in real quick. So if we have this, it's able to fly again. Alright,
Okay,
my
so
bad.
we need some box fans.
Alex,
and
this
this
sucks.
is
We're
for-
taking off this.
Hey,
That just sucks. Alright, well, come on. Let's do it.
Yeah, but we at least need box fans.
Yeah, wait. I'm just trying to make it identical to this. Good luck, soldier. Alright, so we need box fans, right?
Get like 2 or 3,
No, we need more than that.
but like back here. I got some goop.
Who cares about
I'll
goop?
throw it to you.
No, don't throw it. You missed.
Even though I throw so hard.
Pause, bro.
So,
No, stop it. We only need 4. Well, at least I think.
wait, how about we make like a little gate with the box fans?
That is very stupid. I like it.
Like right here.
Where?
Look, I already put goop right there.
Wait.
Yep.
Shut the
Play.
hell up. Let me lock in, Alex.
Let me get another piece of goop.
Let a young man lock
Ready?
in.
I'm gonna jump over 13.
Bro, you're very stupid.
Like I could jump so high. Ready? I could jump over that. Wait, I'm trying to jump right here. Ah! Yeah, I think I could jump right here over it.
I can too.
Right?
You see, I did it.
Hey, you're fine.
There we go. Are you ready for this?
Okay, let's go test it out on the water.
Wait, no, not yet.
Bro, why do you have to put under? Because then after we're gonna start flying.
That's the whole point. We need. Oh.
It's a boat, bro.
Wait, shut up. I need to lock in.
No, this guy's
So if
adding
we have.
buttons.
Yes. Kaboom.
Are you
Kabla.
adding RPGs or what?
No, that is very stupid. Alright, Alex, you ready for this? Let me just do something.
Sure.
Wait, guys, I need to lock in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, for like 6, 7.
Wait, Alex, I'll do it. Let me do it because you don't know how to do it, dog.
No, I brought it for you.
No, you do not.
Hey, I'll try to jump it from right here. Ah, you see, I did it.
You landed on it.
So now we're gonna go.
Alright, I'm gonna go try it out.
Wait, let me get on. Hey, see? Let
We
me
need
get
a
on.
saddle. Wait. Don't go.
No, I'm stuck. Leah.
Where'd my plane go? Hey, Alex, take off that thing on your head for the last time.
Okay.
Just throw it. Good, boom.
Go. So as you guys can see, we got this. It's
Alright, hop
time
in.
for the saddle. Okay. Me. Perfect. Oh. Alright, let's go in water. It was
Will it float?
hey, well, at least it floats.
Oh, she's sinking. Wait,
Wait. Yeah, at least it's a fly. So, if you guys want to make a speedboat, make this. Alright, go save it.
Wait, we're not done. Get off.
Alright, looks like we're not done.
And 2. Hey,
Some more?
yarp.
So guys, this is the speedboat. So, yeah, I can fly. I can show you the world.
No, you can't.
Go over there, Batman.
Batman.
I'm Batman. How are you? Wait for me.
Wait. Break.
Does it float?
Wait.
Wait a minute.
Wait, I'm gonna turn around. Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm P. Diddy.
Wait, what? Please don't tell me we need more. Wait, I think we got it.
Wait, let me bring a fishing rod real quick.
Wait, guys, I think it's floating.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait, let me get a fishing rod.
Guys, don't bring anything that'll make it go down. It's floating. Oh my gosh, guys, can't believe this. My arms are tingling and my butt cheeks are winkling. No, Alex, take off that. Yeah, it's floating. You big bag.
Well, let me sit on it. Let me sit on it.
Come
Well, let me
on,
sit on
bro.
it, and then after, let me try to go fishing. Okay.
Monkey. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Moment of truth. Let's see if it at least lets us wait.
Wait, you gotta wait until it comes up. Yes.
Hey, we're up. Hey, bro.
Alex, put that fishing rod in. Put it on your back. Set it back.
On my back?
Yes.
Wait, okay, let me get off of this. Alright, come here.
Yeah? I got you.
Alright,
Let me
save it,
just
save
do
it,
something real quick. Well, that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your
Okay,
day.
that is the
Peace
end
out.
of the video. Alright, guys.